Hi, my name is Piet van Dalen. I'm CEO and co-founder of Waylay, and welcome to this introduction presentation on Waylay. Before I dive into what we do exactly at Waylay, here are a few words about the company itself. Waylay is a Belgian B2B software company that was founded in 2014. And what we build at Waylay, it's automation software for Internet of Things applications. Our technology powers IoT solutions in different vertical domains and in different geographies. Today, we have about 40 enterprise customers, mainly based in Europe, but actually from Australia to the US, who have built IoT solutions on top of Waylay's automation technology. So if you look at IoT from a distance, it seems fairly straightforward to make a business case that brings the required return on investment from your IoT solution. An IoT solution is typically built in 3 steps. First, you pick out devices. Obviously, you need devices with the right set of sensors and the right communication technology to support your use case. Once you select the device, you select the platform, and there are a couple of hundreds of IoT platforms on the market. So there is, for different use cases, different IoT platforms and technologies available. And those IoT platforms start aggregating the sensor data being sent by your devices. And the general perception is if you choose the right IoT platform, building the application should be pretty straightforward, as typically all platforms have some APIs available. However, when we look at IoT reality, it's a little bit different. We observe that our enterprise customers along the way encounter some difficulties that impact their potential for return on investment of their IoT solution. And we've identified 3 such problems. The first one is, although customers start connecting and collecting data and storing that data, they often feel that they do not use the full potential of the underlying data. They've built some dashboard, perhaps they have some light analytics, but they still feel that they don't do enough with the data they've collected. Secondly, the platforms still sit in silos. An IoT platform is typically used by a technical audience, but the insights that your IoT solution provides can be leveraged by different stakeholders in your company. It could be sales, it could be marketing, it could be your technical support, it could be a partner or even a customer. Sometimes we even encounter customers that have multiple IoT platforms, and these platforms don't talk to each other either. So overall, there is in IoT a problem of data still residing in silos and not being well integrated with either IT or across IoT platforms. Finally, it turns out that application development is not that simple after all. IoT application development typically takes much longer and costs much more than originally anticipated. And according to Waylay, one of the main reasons for that is that once you start developing applications, you still need to build a lot of business logic inside the application. For example, if your IoT application needs data both from your IoT platform as well as from your ERP system, typically what happens is that you're going to build all that connectivity and integration and business logic inside your app itself. And that takes a lot of time and effort. So if these are the problems related to monetization of IoT, how do you get more business value out of your IoT solution? First, obviously, you want to make use of your IoT data as much as possible, and in such a way that you go beyond dashboarding and collecting and storing the data only. Secondly, you want to make sure that all your stakeholders have access to the insights that your IoT solution provides. So not only your technical IT people that are managing the IoT platform, but your different stakeholders inside and outside of your company boundaries. And finally, you want to make sure that you put in place the right levels of abstraction such that your application developers don't need to build for each and every application the same business logic again. At Waylay, we believe that automation is the key technology that enables you to get more value out of your IoT solution. Automation allows you to do more with your IoT data. It allows to automatically process your IoT data according to configurable business rules. And hence, instead of reactively looking at dashboards, it allows you to proactively build automation use cases that don't require any human intervention and that they can take action based on the outcome of business rules. Those actions and insights can be propagated to your different stakeholders. The automation platform integrates with IT systems and cloud services. And as part of your decision logic, you can also take insights of analytics algorithms into account. And finally, the automation platform is API exposed, which allows you to abstract away the complexity from your applications and application developers. Waylay's automation technology is a horizontal technology, and it enables use cases across multiple verticals. And in this context, I would like to highlight one specific vertical use case, which is remote equipment monitoring and diagnostics. So Waylay has appliance and equipment vendors leveraging its technology in order to get more value out of their IoT solution. So these customers typically have an IoT data collection strategy in place and leveraging Waylay's automation technology to get additional business benefits. Typical benefits include better SLA compliance because you're able to react to issues faster or in some cases even proactively. Secondly, condition-based maintenance, where you don't schedule your maintenance periodically, but you do it on an as-needed basis, which again saves effort and time. In some cases, it leads to energy savings because you're able to switch on and off equipment on an as-needed basis. And finally, Waylay's technology is often used for advanced anomaly detection and alerting. So this was the last slide. So thank you for listening to the short introduction on Waylay's technology. And if you would like to find out more, you can visit us at www.waylay.io.